Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow garlic from seed. Now, garlics bloom in the summer, just like an allium. They have big blue, purplish blue flowers that are just gorgeous. And so when they're done blooming, they make little seed pods. So you can either start garlic from a clove or from a seed. So the materials that you will need are some garlic seeds, or you can start them from the clove as well, and either a garden area or a container with potting soil. So the first step, as soon as your garlic's done blooming and it's turned to brown and drying out, you'll notice that they'll have little tiny seed pods on the end, and they're just tiny little black seeds. So you want to wait till the next spring and start the seeds again. You don't want to start them in the winter because they're really not going to do much. So save the seeds and start them the next spring. Next step, plant the seeds in your soil about 1/2 to 1 inch deep. So take the seeds and just sprinkle them on the top of your container and cover them about 1/4 inch with soil. Or just kind of rake the soil around. Okay. So once you've planted your seeds, water it well, let it dry out a bit in between so it's not totally wet or totally dry. Put it in the fullest, sunniest spot you can find, and you will have garlic that will start growing. It'll take quite a while to develop the cloves, so sometimes it even takes a couple years to really get a lot out of your garlic plants, but it's a great and easy way to grow garlic.